Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, I will share with you how to create a copy of Google Forms. This can help you if you want to make duplicate copy of your test or exam so that you can use that copy again for other students. Let's start. First step is open your Google Form from Drive. Next step is, this is my Google Form, this is my test. Here you can see responses. That means I have already used this Google Form. Now I want to reuse this Google Form. I will make copy of this. To create a copy, towards the right side, click on the More option. Second option is Make a Copy. Click on this. In this window, here you will find Copy Document. That means copy of the Google Form will be created. Give name for your copy. So here you can give a new name, or you can also keep it as copy of online internal exam. So you can give name as you want. Here, which folder you want. You will find 4 options. Select the option in which you want to create and click on OK option. A copy of Google Form will be created. So this is a new copy created of the test. Here you can see copy of the test of the Google Form. So this is the original copy. Here you can see the name with responses also, and this is the copy of the original Google Form, that is my original test with 0 responses. That means I can reuse this Google Form, that is test, for same students or different students to take test or exam. Follow these steps to create a copy of Google Form. Hope this video will help you to create copy of Google Form. Like, follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a great day.